Hey guys, it's your favorite girl Alicia Handles It, and I'm back with another video. And in this video today, guys, I'll be using one of these packs of hair, and I guess I chose this one. And this here is by Rain. It was bought at the hair store, BSW, if I think I am correct. I am about to wash this hair and get it together. And look at this hair. Deep wave. It is so beautiful and shiny. And here we go. I just started the video right away. This is going to be like mullet, scrunchie, fingerwave type of look. So I just want you guys to look, enjoy, pay attention, see what you can take away from the video. Remember to leave a like on this video also, guys. And if you're not subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Join the squad. We'll love on you over here. What? Come on, guys. Hit the subscribe button. You know it will get your girl out there in the algorithms, okay? So we're just doing this as a quick weave. And I protected the hair with paper towel, and we're using 30-second Salon Pro glue. I'm lying, it's not 30-second, it's the regular Salon Pro, but it's Salon Pro at any rate. Okay, guys, so sit back and pay attention, hit the like. Now, guys, if you're familiar with my channel, you know there's plenty of videos on here where I am doing a tutorial and how-tos on how to do a quick weave. So if you have any questions, just drop it in the comment section below and I'll be sure to handle it for you. But you guys should also know every style, every quick weave, depending on the style, it's different. You might have to glue in pieces differently. So it's always good to watch the video till the end, guys. I'm telling you, just watch the video till the end and you'll actually be able to take something away from this video, hopefully. Now, I just want to let you guys know that all the pieces are split except for about 2 to maybe 3 tracks in the front. But I just wanted to let you guys know, like, this hair is really full, really thick. So I split the whole thing because it's full all over. So do not buy this hair, put it in without splitting it unless you love your hair really, really, really full. So right now I am closing up the quick weave. Like I said before, if you're new here or if you're not new here, I have plenty of videos on how to close alone, just how to close. So if you need to know how to do this, just go back to my recent videos and you will find a tutorial on how to close a quick weave. So I sectioned the hair in the direction where I want my waves, and I am so happy that I'm using this hair because it's been a while since I've done like a scrunch type of wave, so I'm kind of excited. So I combed the hair through with the gel, and I'm just gonna start waving it up. So you guys just look and leave a like in the comment section below and let me know how much you like the video. Even if you don't, just leave a comment, okay? I don't know what's going on with some of the footage, guys, but I really apologize. I'm not even gonna let it slide and act like it's not happening. A few, just maybe one or two little pieces of footage are missing, but look, guys, look how cute it's coming out. Hopefully, I have this at an angle where you guys can really see what I'm doing. So that's my Garnier Fructis. It's good to the very last drop. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to leave a like below, and I hope to see you in the next one. And mwah, love you guys. Thanks for watching.